Hey, what is up, lawn care community? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm back on my winter grind, selling stuff through various online apps. I've been using Letgo, and it has consolidated with this app called OfferUp, and it's cool. Like, it's really heavy into like shipping stuff now. Like, local meetup stuff seems almost harder to get on the OfferUp app. Like I said, OfferUp and Letgo are now the same app. But today I'm selling my Toro 721R snowblower to somebody through Facebook Marketplace, and I've had a ton of success selling used lawn equipment or just odds and ends from my home, like old dressers and whatnot. I've been able to sell those really quickly through Facebook Marketplace. I'm here in the parking lot of the local elementary school. I'm waiting for someone to come pick up this Toro. I'm giving him a good deal. You guys know I use this stuff pretty heavily when I'm out doing my snow routes. Some of you might ask why I'm selling my Toro 721R, and honestly, the 21-inch machine, it's just too heavy. Like, if I have to go out and work by myself, you can say what you want, call me a pussy, call me a bitch, I don't really care. Like, I'm 5'7", 140 pounds, so if I'm lifting a machine that's the same, that weighs as much as me, then I'm at a disadvantage. So I do all residential snow. I don't snow plow because I'm not trying to wake up at 2 a.m. and snow plow. So, you know, we have a good system, and whatever works for you works for you. You know, some guys need to settle into that reality sometimes and stop comparing themselves to other people. But anyways, guys, just ranting about business and whatnot. I think my person's here, so let's see if I get this sale done. Okay, guys, so just like that, put a quick, you know, little bitty in my pocket, and sold off the Toro. I asked him if he wanted to see me use it. He said no. And I said, all right, don't worry, because I just blew off my sidewalk with it this morning. But, I mean, this guy, I mean, I gave him a good deal on it. I definitely made money because I used it all last year. And once again, guys, just to get back on topic, I really sold my 721R solely based off the weight of it. I mean, the thing's like, I don't even know. I'll probably look it up and then get you guys that information, but I'm thinking that this 721R weighs, I would say, like 80 pounds. Like, every time I lift it up, it's like super heavy. So, you know, when you're working and doing as many accounts as we do, you don't, you know, you want something that's in and out of the truck really fast. And when I compare my snowblowers to lawnmowers, it's much different. Like a 36-inch to a 48, we're talking a full foot of cut width difference, and that can increase your efficiency based off of, you know, the given property. But when I'm sticking with residential driveways and sidewalks and walkways, I'm only giving from the 18 to 21-inch unit. That's only 3-inch difference, and that's not making a big difference in time at all on the property. And in fact, I believe I can work faster physically with the lighter machine. I mean, obviously, you know, that kind of cognitively makes sense. You know, like I was saying, I'm not Paul Bunyan out here. So at the end of the day, I got to do stuff that works for me. So anyways, guys, I sold off the Toro. I still have another one of the 721Rs. I have my, I forget what the number is, Z518 or whatever, but the 18-inch electric unit. Both of those machines are going to suit me perfectly fine for the rest of this year. I've had an extremely slow winter in southeast Michigan. If this video was helpful for you, and if you do lawn care, landscape or snow removal, shoot this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what machines you like to use for snow removal. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.